Ohm's law, series and parallel circuits. We know electric current is shown by I and is equal to total charge divided by time in terms of seconds. Electric current, the unit for it is amperes, which is shown by A. And as you see here, the difference in Q divided by time in terms of seconds, so it's coulomb per second equals to 1 amp. Ohm's law is saying that the potential difference between any 2 points in a conductor varies directly as the current between the 2 points if the temperature remains constant. V divided by I is going to give you the resistance. V is going to be the electric potential in terms of volts. I is electric current in terms of Ohm. And R is going to be the resistance in terms of Ohm. This ampere, volt, and Ohm. So 1 Ohm equals to 1 volt divided by amp. Work equals to negative Q times delta V that we had it earlier. And power in terms of watt equals to work divided by time, which is going to be joule divided by second. So 1 watt is equivalent to 1 joule per second. And based on the formulas we have, we can convert them. P is going to be Q times V divided by time. Q divided by T is I, so P equals to I times V, or VI. And if we use this formula, we can say P equals to V squared divided by R. So we can use any of these two. And V is also equals to I times R.